with Brother Business Color Laser Printer HL-L8360CDW. When it comes to finding a high-quality color printer that can handle the demands of a small business, the Brother Business Color Laser Printer HL-L8360CDW is a top choice. With printing speeds of up to 33 pages per minute for both color and monochrome documents, this printer can handle large printing jobs quickly and efficiently. The automatic duplex printing feature also helps to save time and paper by printing on both sides of the page. In terms of connectivity, the Brother HL-L8360CDW offers multiple options, including USB, Gigabit Ethernet, and Wi-Fi, allowing for easy integration into any office network. Additionally, the printer can be accessed wirelessly through mobile devices, making it convenient for employees who need to print from their smartphones or tablets. One standout feature of this printer is its compatibility with cloud services, allowing users to print directly from popular platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox. The printer also features Nfc Technology, making it easy to print from mobile devices with a simple tap. Furthermore, the Brother HL-L8360CDW comes equipped with super high-yield replacement cartridges, which can help save on printing costs in the long run. If you find this small office printer worthy, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number